You probably order things online all the time, expecting a package to magically appear at your front door exactly 2 days later. But behind the scenes, the global supply chain that makes that delivery possible is an absolute mess of outdated systems, messy paperwork, and constant logistical delays. There is a startup based in San Francisco called Loop that is completely changing how the world handles logistics, and they are not just trying to clean up the mess. They are building a highly advanced system that acts almost like a futuristic healthcare provider for global shipping networks. Instead of just telling a company what went wrong after the fact, they provide predictive and prescriptive remedies to fix problems before they ever happen. The co-founder and CTO, Xiaosu Lu, explains it perfectly. He says it is like going to the doctor for an annual checkup and being told you need to walk more. That is helpful, but it is not the ultimate goal. The real goal is having an expert teach you about deep nutrition and long-term longevity. That forward-thinking approach just helped Loop secure a massive $95 million funding round from some of the most powerful investors in Silicon Valley. This Series C round includes major backing from heavyweights like Valor Equity Partners, Founders Fund, Index Ventures, and even JP Morgan. Securing $95 million is a huge deal right now, especially when top-tier engineering talent is the most expensive commodity in the tech world. Both Lu and his co-founder, Matt McKinney, who actually met while working together at Uber, plan to use a large chunk of that money to hire the absolute best minds in the industry. The timing could not be better. Global shipping is incredibly volatile right now, which is driving massive investment into startups that can bring stability. Loop has a very straightforward but incredibly difficult mission. They help their clients take mountains of messy, unstructured data, like scanned PDF documents, random digital messages, and literal sheets of paper, and turn it all into structured, actionable intelligence. They achieve this by building a complex harness that coordinates multiple advanced language models working together simultaneously. Some of these models are built fully in-house, while others are industry-leading frontier models. This system instantly helps companies see exactly where they are bleeding money or losing precious time. It can even spot the exact moment a warehouse might run out of a specific product. The founders proudly state that their system is so effective, it regularly saves new clients thousands of dollars almost immediately upon implementation. But they are pushing even further by integrating directly with their clients' enterprise resource planning software and hoovering up real-time data from every single warehouse and supplier in the chain. Antonio Gracias, the chief investment officer at Valor, noted that Loop took one of the hardest parts of the supply chain and turned it into a massive advantage, positioning themselves to become the core intelligence layer for the entire global shipping industry. The founders believe we have reached a critical tipping point. The companies that adopt these predictive systems right now will compound their advantages, while the ones relying on old methods will simply not survive the next decade of unpredictable global commerce.